Epson WorkForce ES-200 Review, Key Features and Cons. Epson WorkForce ES-200 is a compact document scanner designed for efficient and high-quality scanning. Please note that there might be newer models or updates available, and it's recommended to check the official Epson website or reliable retailers for the latest information. Here are details about the Epson WorkForce ES-200, Key Features. 1. Compact Design Asterisk. The ES-200 is designed to be compact and portable, making it suitable for both home and office environments where space may be limited. 2. Single Pass Duplex Scanning Asterisk. It features a single pass duplex scanning capability, meaning it can scan both sides of a document in a single pass. This feature enhances scanning efficiency. 3. High Scanning Speed Asterisk. The scanner is known for its fast scanning speeds, allowing users to quickly digitize documents. The scanning speed may vary depending on the settings and resolution. 4. Automatic Document Feeder, ADF. The built-in automatic document feeder, ADF, enables batch scanning of multiple pages at once, streamlining the scanning process. 5. Versatile Media Handling Asterisk. The ES-200 is designed to handle a variety of media types, including business cards, receipts, and documents up to legal size. 6. Optical Character Recognition OCR Asterisk. It often comes with OCR software that allows users to convert scanned documents into editable and searchable text. 7. Connectivity Options Asterisk. The scanner may offer various connectivity options, including USB and potentially wireless connectivity, allowing for flexible integration with different devices. 8. Compatible Software Asterisk. Epson scanners typically come bundled with software applications for document management, organization, and editing. This includes software for creating searchable PDFs and managing scanned files. 9. Energy Efficiency Asterisk. Epson often emphasizes energy efficiency in its products. The ES-200 may include features to reduce power consumption during operation and in standby mode. 10. Platform Compatibility Asterisk. It is designed to work with various operating systems, including Windows and Mac OS, ensuring compatibility with a range of devices. 11. Twain Driver Support Asterisk. Twain Driver Support allows for seamless integration with third-party applications that support Twain scanners. How to use. 1. Connectivity Asterisk. Connect the scanner to your computer using the provided USB cable or follow the setup instructions for wireless connectivity. 2. Install Software Asterisk. Install the necessary drivers and software that come with the scanner. This often includes scanning utilities, OCR software, and document management tools. 3. Load Documents Asterisk. Place the documents you want to scan into the automatic document feeder. Adjust the guides to fit the document size. 4. Configure Settings Asterisk. Adjust scanning settings such as resolution, color mode, and file format according to your preferences and requirements. 5. Initiate Scanning Asterisk. Start the scanning process using the provided scanning software or the scanner's control panel. For multi-page documents, the ADF will automatically feed pages through. 6. Save and Manage Scanned Documents Asterisk. Save the scanned documents to your preferred location and use the provided software for document management and organization. Considerations, Resolution and Image Quality Asterisk. Check the optical resolution and image quality specifications to ensure that the scanner meets your expectations for clear and detailed scans. Updates Asterisk. Periodically check for driver and software updates on the official Epson website to ensure optimal performance. User Reviews Asterisk. Consider checking user reviews to get insights into the actual user experience and any common issues reported by other users. Please verify the details and specifications with the latest information from Epson or authorized retailers before making a purchase, as product details may have changed since my last update.